Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation and relationship. We will be picking few cards. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And today I will not be giving the timestamps for your relationship and career. You can watch till the end, guys, because it is going to be a complete reading. So, for your energies in your uh, relationship and career, we may get the energy till the end of the reading. So, if you want more clarity, you need to watch till the end, Libras. And this is for your oracle guidance. We will see what it is as we proceed. So today, Libras, we have 9 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, Hermit in reverse and 3 of Swords. So in your circumstances, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Right now, you feel that you have done everything you need to do, or you have handled your situation to the best of your skills and talents. You have made best efforts and you are happy with the way you are seeing your circumstances, happy with the opportunities you have had in your career, happy with the way things are going in this relationship, and you are expecting something in your future. You are waiting for the next step, maybe the next step in this relationship. What will happen or what will be the decision? Maybe it is your decision or this person's decision. So you are waiting for the next move or the next change in your situation today. You are truly happy in this love. You have emotional satisfaction, contentment, and with this person you have a very good relationship, a very balanced, harmonious relationship. And maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy. You are someone who tries to stand by your way of doing things. You have an idea or you have a belief and you follow that down to the T. You never give up your beliefs, and you are a very stubborn person when it is something you need to decide on, maybe some important decisions you are making for this love. You do it honestly based on your intentions, and you stand by your views and your ideals. You do not change for anyone, and you are a very stubborn person, rigid the way you perceive your situation. So maybe this person has accepted your way of doing things and they are happy. That may be the reason you are in this situation today. Maybe you feel that this person has accepted your ways. You have a beautiful understanding. So this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you have accepted their views and ideals, or they have accepted your views and ideals. But there are something is making you anxious or making this person anxious, because in a relationship it must be a harmonious, balanced relationship. Each of us should make that adjustment. So, if one person makes that adjustment, it is not going to last long. So, this person may have some fears about the future of this love. So, what will happen? Whether they can go on being like this, go on making the adjustments that need to be done. So, they have done their best and they may feel that they cannot do any more. So, they may have some future plans and they are worried that this relationship may not work if they are the one who need to make the adjustment each and every time. So they have a lot on their mind, and maybe in this love it may be your energy or their energy. So there is another person involved. Maybe it may be your energy, someone else is approaching you, someone else is also showing interest in you, or it may be their energy. So there is another person showing their interest in them. So it may be a third party situation. Again, that may be an obstacle coming in your relationship. That may be a difficult situation. So it may be your energy or your person's energy towards this love situation. So maybe there are a lot of things. Maybe you have overcome the difficulties now, but in a long term, this person is thinking whether this is the connection, whether this relationship will work. So they have a lot of doubts on their mind about this love, Libras. Lot of doubts and fears. So that is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the oracle guidance for you all today. Round and round. So with this card, maybe you would have come across this situation. Maybe you feel that you have been in this circumstance before, and why this is happening, you are questioning yourself. So you need to understand that this situation is here today because you need to change your ways, you need to change your responses. So instead of reacting just like you did in the past, if you respond in a different way, instead of blaming the other person, you must see what you are doing. What is the mistake you are doing today, Libras? That is going to change this situation, and that is going to put a stop to this circumstance coming again and again in your life. And that is the oracle guidance with this card for you all today. So that is the reading, Libras, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Libras.